The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Making his way to the ring from Minneapolis, Minnesota, weighing in at 286 pounds, the Beast, Brock Lesnar.
Singles action.
And his opponent, accompanied by Joe Gang C. And from Orlando, Florida, weighing in at 312 pounds, Harland.
There is an absolutely big fight.
You can feel the electricity running through this arena. This is going to be some battle. One-on-one, mano-a-mano.
Here we go, fellas. I've been looking forward to this one for quite some time. Nailed it.
You gotta believe this one's over.
Ooh, what impact.
He's got him here. He's got him up.
And vicious knee.
Tossed around like a rag doll.
He's starting to stagger a bit. He's going to want to make sure this doesn't snowball out of control.
Yeah, but it looks to me like he still has plenty of energy in that body of his. I wouldn't look too much into this right now.
He seemed more motivated than ever heading into this match, which makes me think he still has plenty of fight left in him.
He's going for the pin.
It's going to take more than that to keep his shoulders down.
Clearly not enough damage done.
Avoids trouble there.
Harsh impact. Hellacious power slam.
Oh, what impact.
He's starting to feel it here. With these two guys, we all knew this was going to be an all-out battle.
I wouldn't call for the medics just yet, Cole. He still appears to be in pretty good shape here.
The good news for him is that he doesn't appear to have taken too much offense up to this point, but that can obviously all change here.
This is what makes him one of the best in the business.
Escapes trouble there. Dodges that one.
Running power slam.
Oh boy, he is rolling. Wow, I thought he was a goner. Oh boy, he is rolling.
He's not looking good here. His hopes of winning this match appear to be dwindling in a hurry.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Strong kick.
My goodness. It might be cliche, but it's true here. It ain't over till it's over.
shoulders on the mat. Early kick out, referee right on top of the action.
Too soon.
Look at this.
What a boot.
So good to be back in Tampa tonight. There are so many rabid WWE fans here in the Sunshine State.
Beautiful technique.
Wait a minute.
Got the full Nelson.
Incredible.
What a slam, Michael.
Pinning predicament.
Digging deep for a kick out.
Wow.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
What a stomp.
Good grief.
There may be no coming back from this incredible beat.
Counter here.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Nasty impact.
This one is over.
Uh-oh, he's in trouble here.
Great job escaping, trying to turn this thing around.
He's making a statement here with this attack.
He has him right where he wants him. He's fighting back here.
I expected nothing less, Cole.
Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy.
Looking for a repeat. This might be it.
Oh, my. And there it is, boys.
Oh, man. Looking for the finish. He might have it. What a clothesline. Ouch. Got him good there.
Yeah, let's take another look.
He goes for the cover. 1, 2. What is keeping this competitor going?
Wow, what's it going to take?
He's stalking his opponent from the top turnbuckle. Look at this.
He's got him covered. 1, 2. Oh, that was a close call.
Wow, I thought this was over.
What a stomp. Good
Grief.
Taking on any more damage here could very well mean the beginning of the end.
Down with a powerbomb. Axe handle finds the mark. Earth-shaking power slam. Both these superstars appear to be operating on fumes here, guys. Nailed it. He's got the shoulders down. 2, and they kick out at 2. He's still in this.
When this guy's on,
Here he goes. German suplex.
That's called establishing dominance. Game, set, match. This one is over.
That just ate a pin attempt.
And he doesn't stay down for long.
Not yet. He's in trouble. Uh-oh. Batten down the hatches. Face buster.
Can he finish him off here?
One.
He got body on body there, but that's about it.
How in the world? Oh, boy, he is rolling.
Escapes in a nick of time.
Oh, right to the face.
Now that's a display of excellent ring awareness.
Nicely done. You gotta believe this one's over.
Just when you thought he had nothing left. Got the full Nelson.
Slam!
This one's over, guys. Did you guys feel that too?
His shoulders are down. 1, 2. And he got a near fall out of it.
How'd he do that?
Oh, man!
Well, he's got him here. He's got him.
Sidewalk slam.
That one fails to connect.
Great idea by him. Too bad it was awfully executed, though.
Nice job getting out of the way of that one. Oh, what impact.
Belly suplex.
Oh, what a knee lift.
Somebody better check his nose.
Oh, boy, he is rolling.
Comes up big with the reversal. He's not going to go quietly.
No superstar worth his salt ever does. This is what makes him one of the best in the business.
Showing some quickness there. Counter here.
He's making a statement here with this attack.
He's not going to go quietly.
No superstar worth his salt ever does.
Thumb got the shoulders down. What? Oh, he kicked out. Unbelievable.
How'd he do that?
Boom, what impact.
Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy.
Powerbomb planted.
Great job escaping, trying to turn this thing around.
When this guy's on, look out.
We know what this means. This might be it.
Oh, my. That should do it. Perhaps a trifecta. The Three Amigos.
Down he goes.
That'll do it every time.
He gets him with a reversal.
Oh, boy, he is rolling. It might be cliche, but it's true here. It ain't over till it's over.
Back body drop.
Oh, you see the height on that?
This is what makes him one of the best in the business.
We have seen him here before.
Harsh impact. Here's his moment, Michael.
He's calling for it.
And if he hits this, beautiful technique.
Warm up the bus. This one is over.
There's the pin. 2, 3.
The pinfall and the victory.
Here is your winner, Harland.
Talk about having to dig down deep to pick up the win.
Hey, they both gave it their all, but in the end, we were left with the best man standing.